Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay. Taurus, what is up? What's up, Taurus, ngayong January? For Taurus, January 2024. Learning. Ayan, meron kayong mga pag-aaralan. Yung iba literal, babalik sa school. Yung iba mag-enroll sa online. Ayan. Or this can be self-study. Meron kang i-research. Magdadagdag ka ng kaalaman. Sabi nga ni late Ernie Baron, knowledge is power. Courage. Yes, lakas ng loob. So, meron kang mga pwedeng meron kang ipupursue. Higher education. Maglalakas ng loob ka na ipagpatuloy. Palawakin pa yung kaalaman mo. So, maganda yan. Kasi malakas ang loob mo sa maraming bagay. Pwede rin iba, malakas ang loob na magnegosyo, mag-invest, at kasama doon yung pag-aaral sa mga bagay na pinapasok ninyo. Sexuality. O, yung iba sa inyo, iba yung pag-aaralan. Pag-aaralan nyo yung pwedeng relationship ninyo, or in a deeper sense of a relationship or connection, especially in intimacy. Yung, alam nyo na, the deeper connection sa relationship. And some of you naman, this is learning about yourself more, knowing yourself, your sexuality, no? So, let's see your overall energy. And itong sexuality is also your confidence, no, sa sarili mo. Kasi, kapag kilala mo yung sarili mo, mas confident ka. 'Di ba? So, your overall energy, Taurus, is, yes, the Six of Wands. Speaking of being confident, you know your talents, you know your skills. Kaya, maraming mga nag-a-admire sa'yo sa mga abilities mo. And I see you na being more popular. Merong popularity rito. Yung iba sa inyo nasa social media, celebrity, yung energy, no? Pwedeng marami nakakakilala sa inyo. Pag sinabi namang celebrity, hindi lang yung technically is nasa showbiz. Pwede rin parang celebrity ka sa company nyo, sa grupo nyo, kasi you are very attractive, confident. Yung iba kasi yung confidence yun yung nagiging reason bakit sila attractive eh. And you also have the Hierophant. You also know how to channel your energies. And maari ring marami kang knowledge, marami kang skills. Kaya you are able to share your knowledge and skills sa iba. That's why people are admiring you. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Taurus? Four of Swords. So, challenge is pahinga. Yung iba, sa sobrang yung busy, marami kayong ginagawa, marami kayong tinutulungan. Minsan, kinukulang kayo ng oras at panahon sa sarili nyo para magpahinga. Kaya, kailangan din daw bawi sa tulog. Queen of Cups. This is loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and also prioritizing yourself. Yun yung challenge. Paano nyo rin mas bibigyan ng oras at panahon ang sarili ninyo. Self-love, self-care. 'Di ba? So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Taurus? You have the Three of Wands. Wow, you have the opportunity to expand what you have started, no? Napalawigin, palakasin, paunlarin yung mga nasimulan mo. Yung iba, meron kayong opportunity to work abroad or magkaroon ng kliyente sa ibang bansa through online. This is growth. Wow, Queen of Wands. Some of you, meron kayong opportunity na mas maging creative, and yung creativity ninyo, pwede nyo tong mapalago into a very stable source of income. And then, your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Taurus? You have the Ten of Swords. So, I think this is like a blessing in disguise for you. Merong kailangang mag-end, or whatever this is that's going to end ngayong January for you. Meron tong magandang kahihinatnan kasi ibig sabihin tapos na yung paghihirap mo. So, anong area? Uy, 8th house is also ending sa new beginnings. Yan. So, 8th house is also deeper connection, no? Pwede rin tong utang. Kasi 8th house is other people's money. So, kung meron kayong debts, utang, loans, ayan, na medyo nakapagpa-stress sa inyo nung nakaraan ngayong January, matatapos nyo na yung mga utang na yan. 'Di ba? 10 of Wands, ang daming responsibilities. So, medyo, siya, nakakapagod, or minsan nakaka-stress, pero, ending na eh, kaya mo. Yung iba, medyo, parang, pwedeng meron kayong gagawing paraan, or makakagawa kayo ng paraan, para makarecover agad kayo dun sa mga responsibilities ninyo. Especially in money. Let's see, sa money, career, finances. You have nature, ayan. So, ayun na nga, sinasabi talaga sa inyo na magkaroon kayo ng oras at panahon na labas-labas din daw. Wag laging nasa bahay lang. Lalo kung work from home kayo, no? Oo, or puro trabaho, bahay. So, minsan, sisingit din kayo ng pagpunta sa park, lakad-lakad. Hindi naman kailangan mamahaling bakasyon, 'di ba? Na pupunta ka sa beach. Pero kung kaya, why not? So, kung naman, kahit sa backyard mo lang, kung meron kang certain doon, lupa na pwede ka maglakad-lakad, or sa park, libre lang naman 'yan. You also have mas magiging smart ka na raw sa pera mo. Mas wais ka na sa pera. Taurus, something better awaits in your finances, in your career, in your business. Ayun na nga. Kaya kailangan daw ang cash flow mo ngayong January ay i-manage mo ng maayos. Kasi pwedeng kapag medyo naging yung ang tawag doon, careless sa pagmamanage ng kaperahan mo, pwedeng merong fluctuation ng daloy ng pera. Oo. So, maganda na yung gagastusin mo lang is yung kailangan para in case of emergency, meron kang extra dahil you are saving. So, pagdating sa love life, tinan natin, clarity. May clarity ka na. Alam mo na yung gusto mo. Yung iba, maaring merong kayong merong reconnection with someone. Ito yung reconnection na to is yung pwedeng naging ex mo na okay naman yung paghihiwalay ninyo. Or pwedeng naudlot yung relationship niyo before tapos ngayon magkikita kayo ulit. At pwede nyo nang ituloy ang inyong mga nasimulan before. Yung iba naman, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang seryosong commitment sa relationship. Pwedeng may proposal. Oo. So, display yourself to advantage. This is no time for false modesty. Ayan. So, I think, kasi may 6 of Wands ka rito, be proud of who you really are. Be proud of your achievements, no? Oo. Na, minsan yung iba nahihiya, na, yung galing-galing mo. I mean, okay lang yun. Sabi mo, thank you. Ganon. Kasi, diba, if you know who you are, alam mo yung kakayanan mo, yung abilidad mo, being proud of yourself is not bad naman, no? Kumbaga, as long as alam mo na yung ginagawa mo para sa sarili mo, para sa ikaunlad mo, para sa kabutihan. Oo. So, it doesn't matter kung i-appreciate ng iba o hindi. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo, you are appreciating yourself. Oo. So, yeah, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.